Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. The Elevation truck's powered by the 3-liter turbocharged Duramax diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights with fog lights. Vehicle has a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, a column shifter and push button ignition. Nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with 3-stage heated seats, integrated chiller braking system as well, USB ports, auto stop start. You can drop the tailgate from inside the vehicle as well. Vehicle does have the all black interior, dual glove boxes, and our captain's chairs up front, the heated cloth in the Elevation. Take a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra Elevation. We do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful blacked out alloy wheels with the Bridgestone Dueler AT tires. Color matched door handles with keyless entry. Elevation plaque on the front door and Duramax turbo diesel on the front fender. Coming to the front of the Elevation truck, color matched front bumper and grille with the 3 black tri-bar grille. Recovery hooks up front, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals, and LED fog lights. Making our way to the back here, rear tinted privacy windows and remote start for the diesel engine. X31 off-road package, the upgraded suspension, trailer tow package, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, as well as the GM Multi-Pro tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. We have the in-seat storage feature as well. Cup holders in the center, sliding rear, solid rear window with defrost there. Extra headroom over top as well as the solid roof. We do have dual USB ports in the back of the center console for the rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.